In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show and hide label names in Trello. Managing projects efficiently can make all the difference, and Trello labels are a great way to quickly see the status of your tasks. Still, sometimes you just want a cleaner look, without text cluttering your cards. Luckily, Trello has an easy way to toggle label names. First, you need to go to the Trello website. So, open your browser and type in Trello.com. That's where the magic begins. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. If you already have a Trello account, you can log in using your email address and password, or you can choose to log in with your Google account. Easy, right? Either option works perfectly, so pick whichever one suits you best. After logging in, your next step is to head over to your boards. Once you're in Trello, you'll find a section called Boards on the home page. One quick click and you'll be directed to your personal dashboard where all of your Trello boards live. In your dashboard, you'll notice a section labeled Your Workspaces. This is where all of your collaborative boards are displayed. Scroll through until you find the board you want to work on. This could be any project you're currently managing. Once you find it, just click on that particular board. It will take you directly to your chosen board where you have all the lists and cards for your project laid out. These are the essentials for your ongoing tasks and projects. Now, to show or hide the label names, simply take your cursor over any card on the board. You'll see various labels stacked on the card. Click directly on a label. Clicking on it will instantly show the label name. When you click again, the text disappears, leaving only the colored indicator. This is a simple toggle function built into Trello to keep your workspace as clean or as detailed as you prefer. It's really that easy. This toggle functionality is great for maintaining focus and minimizing distractions by choosing exactly how much detail you want visible at any moment. It can be especially helpful when you're planning a meeting or reviewing the status of your project to instantly switch views. So there you have it. An easy way to manage the visibility of label names in Trello, ensuring your project management stays efficient and organized. I hope this tip helps you keep your Trello boards looking just the way you like them. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more Trello tips and tricks.